Welcome to LooLoo's Green Farm. Today we will explore an interesting topic of technology and manufacturing, Japanese mass production lines. First, let's go to the ice cream factory to see how they produce cool ice cream. Ice cream manufacturers in Japan often apply advanced automatic production lines. Machines and robots are programmed to perform operations such as mixing, freezing, and packaging, ensuring precision and optimal performance. Next, we will come to the automatic bread making line. Kneading dough is done by machine in large quantities. The dough is aged in large vats, sealed and fermented. After the dough has been mixed well, it is fed into the automatic baking machines. These machines create sandwiches with uniform shapes and sizes. This process usually involves blowing air into the bread to make it rise. The pillow sandwiches are then put into an automatic oven at a temperature of 200 degrees for 30 minutes. The baking process is strictly controlled to ensure the bread is baked evenly and has a beautiful golden color. After baking, the pillow bread is left to cool naturally. Pillow bread is automatically cut and packaged in appropriate packaging and quality check to ensure there are no defective products. ramen enthusiasts will be especially interested in this process, and this is the dough mixing stage. Flour and water are combined and mixed together in a machine to form dough. This process can be done using a mobile mixer or an automatic mixer. After having the dough, it will be ground and spread into a thin layer of cake. Thickness depends on the type of noodles you want to make. The machine can also calculate the elasticity of the dough sheet. The bread is then cut into different ramen strips, like traditional ramen, udon, or soba. And fry in oil. Once cooked, the noodles are quickly made by soaking in cold water or cooled using special machines. This helps the bread retain its crispness and elasticity. The ramen noodles are then fried and packaged in suitable packaging. During processing, the noodles do not need to be fried in oil. Have you ever seen mushrooms grown in factories with your own eyes? First, we will mix substrate. usually organic materials such as discarded straw, dry grass, wood chips, or bagasse, which is mixed and pre-treated to create a suitable environment for mushroom growth. This process involves substrate incubation to sterilize and remove other bacteria and fungi. The mushroom seed is incorporated into the prepared substrate, usually through spraying or spreading evenly across the substrate surface. The environment in the mushroom growing room is strictly controlled. This includes controlling temperature, humidity, lighting, and even oxygen supply. Once the mushrooms have fully grown, harvesting is done by cutting off the commercial mushroom parts from the substrate. The mushrooms are then packaged and prepared for distribution. Next, we will discover how to make a cake from red beans called azuki. Red beans are often washed, soaked, and stewed in water. The cooked red beans are then mashed into a smooth pasta. Add other ingredients such as sugar, salt, and possibly vegetable oil or other additives for better texture and flavor. Azuki cakes are often made into certain shapes, usually round or ball-shaped. This process is usually done using machines and molds to create even cakes. Then we will steam them a second time. After that, the cake is cooled and packaged. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch our video. If you find the content useful and interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow the latest videos from our channel. We greatly appreciate your support.